Upright Garage Door Services is a full-service garage door repair and garage door replacement company. We sell, install, and repair garage doors in the Las Vegas, Henderson, Boulder City, and Nevada communities. We have over 30 years experience. We pride ourselves on offering fast and friendly service for all your garage door needs. Our services include most brands like Genie brand garage door openers, Wayne Dalton, and Amar brand garage doors. We can sell and install almost any brand you'd like. We sell and install garage door rollers, door hinges and cables, broken springs, doors that won't open or close, doors that are out of alignment. Plus, we also repair or replace broken remotes along with many of the issues that keep your garage door from operating efficiently. Our expert technicians bring years of experience to assist you with your garage door repair or replacement. We'll try our best to repair your existing door, and we'll only sell you a new garage door if it's completely necessary. We are family owned and operated, and we specialize in getting the job done right the first time. We provide excellent customer service and quality work. Just fair and honest pricing, no games. We are licensed, bonded, and insured, and happy to report we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. So give us a call today at 702-564-7323. That's 702-564-7323. Or you can visit us online at www.uprightgaragedoor.com.